Right, hello everyone, Big Game Al here. Back again after clearing out a few more shelves. That was a nightmare because of all the mess down here. It's a bit more tidier in here now, except from that pile behind me. Yeah, that's that needs sorting out. But yeah, we're back with another set of racing games. So I've cleared out the last two collections I had to show you. So we've got the original Xbox, otherwise known as just the Xbox. We've got the Xbox One and we've got the Xbox Series X collection. I've got them mixed in together, so I don't know which one's Xbox One, Xbox Series X, so unless it tells you on it. Some do. Most of them are for both anyway. But yeah, let's start with the Xbox. So I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 games for this. I only go for the only on Xbox titles. So yeah, I don't even know if this one's an actual proper racing game, but sounds like it is. We've got Bloodwave. Looks like a bit like Wipeout in water. We've got Forza Motorsport, the game that started it all. Absolutely love the Forza series. We've got Furious Karting, which is a lovely kart racing game. Midtown Madness 3. Looks a bit more like a Burnout game than a racing game, but I'm sure it's got loads of racing in it. Just not very good screenshots. We've got Project Gotham Racing, which I actually missed 2 games out from the Xbox 360 video because I have Project Gotham Racing 3 and 4 and I forgot to show them, which a few of you pointed out in the comments, so thank you very much. So to complete the Project Gotham Racing series, we've got Project Gotham Racing 2. Does anyone know what happened to Project Racing? Why it's not on the Xbox One? I'm sure it probably is. It's probably got a different name. Someone in the comments must know. And then we've got Racing Evolution, which is like some of your track racing, just normal ones. I prefer like rally racing games, really. Oh, talking about rally racing, here we go. We've got Rally Sport Challenge. Rally spelt with an I. Yeah, I do like the old off-road racing. It's pretty fun. So that is all of the Xbox games. Now moving on to the Xbox One/Series X. Got quite a few of these. So I won't go through them as quick as I went through the Xbox 360 ones. If I've played any of them, I will tell you. There is a few on here that I have. There's a lot that I haven't. First one being Assetto Corsa Competizione, the Day 1 edition. Yeah, not played it, but it looks like my sort of game, so I need to give it a go at one stage. We've also got the Assetto Corsa Your Racing Simulator. So again, probably a bit like Gran Turismo style games, I'm guessing. Alright, we've got Bodger Edge of Control HD edition. So I think this is just a remake of the one that's on the 360. I'm not too sure, not played it. Alright, Burnout Paradise Remastered. So I played the original Burnout Paradise on the Xbox 360. That's why this one's sealed. I haven't quite finished it yet. I'm probably about halfway through the game. But yeah, it's quite a lot of race involved in there. So, definitely one worth picking up. Right, one I've not done yet, but I've done 1 and 2 of the series. So this is the 3rd one. It's also on the Xbox 360. I've only bought these again because I want the achievements. And that is Cars 3, Driven to Win. They're pretty easy completions. They're designed for kids, but 2 was quite tricky, funny enough. There's a couple of achievements that are quite hard to get. Then we've got The Crew. Not played any of these series. I say series because we've got The Crew 2. And then finishing off the set is a new one, Crew Motorfest, which I picked up quite recently, pretty cheap. And what's interesting about this one, it's cross-gen. So if any of you out there are on the PS5 and want to play, we can have a game. Or PS4, I don't know if it come out on that. Right, we've got Dakar 18, which is another off-road racing one. Do like them. A series I'm trying to beat. I've done the first game only. It was quite a long one actually for me. I don't normally like going for 4 achievements on games that take a while, but yeah, I enjoyed it. And that is Dirt Rally. So this is the Colin McRae series, if any of you didn't know. It is a steelbook, there is no screenshots on the back. Just this lovely view of the dust coming up from the rally car. It's also meant to come with a DVD. If anyone's got a spare DVD for this game, please do let me know, because I would like to complete it. It's probably also meant to have a slipcover. But yeah, I picked it up in CEX for the same price of a normal standard version, so couldn't go wrong really. Alright, next we've got the F1 series. So we've got F1 2015. Sure you all know what an F1 game is. We've got 2016. 2017. 2018 with a nice little slip cover. Quite like that one. 2019. 2020. And then something happened between 2020 and 2022 because there was no F1 2021. So I know they've got 23 and 24 out now. I haven't got them yet. They've probably got 25 out by now, I'm not sure. I don't know if this is a racing game, but I'm putting it in there. Fast and Furious Crossroads. It's a Fast and Furious game. It involves a lot of driving normally, so Flat Out Total Insanity. This is just a follow-on from Flat Out and the 360. I think this one's meant to be Flat Out 4. It's got a big 4 in the middle instead of an A. Forza Horizon 3. Now, this is the only Forza Horizon game I've got on here. I don't know why I haven't got any of the others. They're up to, I believe, it's 5 now. Could be 6. But yeah, I absolutely love Forza Horizon. Just the open world, driving around, set in different countries. But most of them are on Game Pass, so. Oh no, I've got Forza Horizon 1 and 2. What am I talking about? They're on the Xbox 360. I haven't got anything past 3. So, yeah. Right, then we've got Forza Motorsport 5. And I do like these ones. Haven't put much time into 5 and 6. But I am nearly finishing 7. I bought this. It's got a nice slip cover. I've done all the online achievements on it. It's literally just trying to get every car to complete the achievements, and earning the money to do it is it's taking me a while. And this game here, I feel I'm never going to beat it. Garfield Kart Furious Racing. Yes, it is Furious. I think I've got 2 achievements left to do on this, and it's earning all the stars or winning all the races, and you've got to do it in every, like, you've got 50cc, 100cc and 150cc and all that. And a couple of levels are just absolutely brutal. I can't do it. So yeah, one day I will try and finish that. I've not got much left. Right, next is meant to be one of the best games on the system. I bought it ages ago and I've not played it yet. Shock Horror. Maybe I'll give this one a go. Gravel. Again, the old dirt style racing. I do like the old off-roading. Gravel. Right, next pile. We've got Grid. Day 1 edition. If I get any Day 1 editions, they normally come from the game collection. That's why they're still sealed. When they normally do their sales, after like they've been out for a couple of years, they try and flog off all the Day 1 editions they had. And I'll get them cheap. But not so much anymore now. They've made every game minimum £9.95. Hopefully they reverse that in the future. But for now, it's not happening. We've got Grid Legends. Game I absolutely love. Grip. So, I used to have one of these cars. As a little remote control car. When you used to hit stuff, it used to spin over and you could drive it upside down, and basically when it wasn't upside down, it was literally you could drive it either way. And yeah, brings back memories. Another game that I probably will never complete, for God's sake. I think I've got 1 or 2 achievements left on this, and it's beating all the time trials, and some of them are brutal. That is Hot Wheels Unleashed, the first one. But as for gameplay, this is absolutely fantastic. I love that. Managed to do all the online. So it's literally just them last couple of achievements. And yeah, still sitting there. Right, as for the 361, this one is still, I'm classing it as a racing game. It is the Tour de France 2018 edition. Get yourself a nice yellow jersey. One I should be finished by now, but I haven't, is Matchbox Driving Adventure. Wow, right, okay, I think this might even still be in the system. It is. It's been in the system now for about 3 months. I bought it when it first came out. Probably done 80% of the game and just not got around to actually finishing it, because the idea with the OG ones is I meant to finish them and then trade them in to get some credit back to buy others. And yeah, it's probably dropped right down in value now. Oh well. Right, then we've got Matchbox, not Matchbox, Micro Machines. It's got the 2 brands. That one's Matchbox, this one's Micro Machines. World Series. Right, then we've got the Monster Racing games, the Monster Energy ones. So Motocross, so this one is number 4, the official video game. It's racing with motorbikes. Probably more stunts than racing, but I'm sure they do racing as well. Then we've got Motocross 5 and Motocross 6. So yeah, Monster Energy brought out some games. We've got Monster Jam, Crush It. And then we're on to the MotoGP games. We've got MotoGP 15, which is again on the Xbox 360. So another one that's basically the same. We've got 18, 19, and we've got 21. Alright, last pile. Let's have a little swig of my Coke working tonight, so no beer today. Right, the last pile. So we've got Mud Runner, the Sprinter game. Don't know, but CEX messed up with this, and they gave me the wrong disc originally. They gave me the DLC one, so it was about £5 more. So I got home, I put in the game, downloaded all the DLC onto the system, and took it back and got this one for £5 less. So I got all the DLC for free. Wouldn't recommend it to anyone. You're not meant to do that sort of stuff, but their mistake. Right, then we've got MXGP Pro. It's another motor racing game. I'm not very good at these MXGP games. I like playing them, but I'm not very good at them. Got MX versus ATV All Out. Motorbikes versus quad bikes. Yeah, quad bikes, or whatever you want to call them, little buggy things. MX versus ATV Supercross Encore. Another great series of games. We've got Need for Speed. This is the only one I've actually got on the Xbox One now, or Series X. So I might need to pick a few more of them up, although a lot of them come on Game Pass, so Saves you a bit of money with that. We've got Nickelodeon Kart Racers Grand Prix. All your favourite Nickelodeon characters. It's probably really easy to beat. You probably just need 4 controllers, which is what you do in most of them ones. Got to win a four player race or something. Then we've got On Russ. And then we've got Overpass 2. Now, I'm assuming this one is a racing game. Yeah, vehicles, tracks and race categories. There you go, a wide range of race to choose from. So it's a racing game. Right, Project Cars. This is a series that I need to get into. It's meant to be pretty good. Project Cars 2. And to complete the series, Project Cars 3. Alright, we've got Ride, more motorbike racing action. Ride 2. One I picked up off Amazon, pretty cheap, and wanted to play it, beat it and trade it back in, and haven't done it again. Smurf Karts. So we've got the old sticker on it. Track Mania TM Turbo, not TT, TM Turbo. So I do like them sort of racing games, probably a bit like Hot Wheels, that one. We've got Trial Fusion, another motorbike one. It's probably more stunts than racing, but I'm sure there is some racing involved in it. V Rally 4. Absolutely love the V Rally series, so happy to have that one. And the last game, one that I've put quite a bit of hours into, is Wreckfest. Absolutely love this game. I think this was one of the games I bought literally about a month after it come out because I wanted to play it. And yeah, it reminded me a bit like Destruction Derby, but on the newer systems. There's also a bit on there where you can race lawnmowers. That's quite funny, a little bit of lawnmower racing. But yeah, you got like combine harvesters and all sorts, loads of different categories. Oh, even comes with a little manual. But yeah, love that game. So yeah, that is all of my Xbox One, Xbox Series X games. Any in there that interest you, let me know. If there's any I'm missing, I always like to add games now, especially for racers. I've taken note of the ones that you've told me for all the PlayStation ones that I'm missing, from PlayStation 1 all the way to 5. And yeah, just let me know if there's any Xbox One or even the Xbox. But make sure it says only on Xbox on the top, because that's what I'm collecting for. I don't want to get ones that I can get on the PS2 or PS1. Otherwise you end up with the same game twice. And when I went through my collection a few years ago, I ended up getting rid of so many doubles that I had on multiple systems. Because there's no point having the same game on 2 systems unless they're both on the Xbox 360 and Xbox One for the achievements. But yeah, I just need to say thank you all for watching. And yeah, I'm going to go and try and put all these away now. It's going to take me ages. But yeah, thank you all for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.